Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance, and I'm here to talk to you about manufacturing liability insurance, what the exposure is, and how Elite Business Insurance can help you out in all the angles regarding your business needs. Elite Business Insurance is a full-service independent agency. We have access to thousands of markets throughout the United States. We only write with AM Best A-rated insurance carriers, so you know you're with the financially strongest insurance carriers out there, and we make sure we cover you all the right ways and we find you the best price out there in order to do so. So in the manufacturing industry, there's many risks that you need to cover your business for. So if you're manufacturing a product, regardless of what that product is, if it's metal, if it's some sort of food, if it's some sort of beverage, if it's some sort of hand cream or beauty product or hair product or any sort of product, you want to make sure that you're covered for all the right angles. So if that product goes bad, for instance, and people get sick or somehow bodily injury occurs, like say you create some product, you manufacture a product, and all of a sudden that product has a susceptibility to lighting on fire, and it causes homes to burn down, it causes cars to burn down, it causes injury to people. You're going to have to recall that product. You have to get it off the shelves. You're going to have to protect yourself for the right angles in case you get sued. If somebody gets hurt, if some property gets damaged, they're going to attempt to sue your company for the damages due to your negligence of creating the product. So what manufacturer's liability insurance covers you for is it gives you that products and completed operations liability exposure. And what I would recommend if you're manufacturing any product, you have yourself at least $1 million per occurrence, $2 million per policy for any product or any sort of business that you have manufacturing these products. Now, if you have a factory, you're going to need the general liability insurance in case some random customer comes walking into your factory, somehow slips and falls and gets injured. If somebody tries suing you for false advertisement, that's what liability insurance will cover you for. If somebody gets sick or injured from your product, like I stated before, that's what liability insurance would cover you for. If you're renting a premise in order to perform work and you damage that premise while performing work, liability insurance would cover you for that as well. So those are all forms of coverage that the general liability, the basic general liability insurance policy will protect your manufacturing business for. Now, there are other forms. If you have employees, you're going to need to protect them with workers' comp insurance. If you have 4 or more employees in the state of Florida, by law, you have to carry workers' comp insurance. So that's another coverage that we could offer you here through Elite Business Insurance. We could give you the general liability. We could give you the workers' comp. Also, if you have machinery, if you have contents, if you have inventory, if you own a building, we could cover you for commercial property. God forbid a fire happens, you lose all your product, you lose all your inventory, your machines get destroyed. If rain comes in, hail, windstorm comes and blows over the building and everything you work for, your whole business gets destroyed, you need sufficient coverages for that. So the liability, the property, the workers' comp. We also have product recall. So in the case that you mass produce product and it's on the shelves and something happens to that product and you have to recall, that's going to be very expensive. If you have to get all that product off of your shelves, make sure nobody else buys it, and then pay for the claims for anyone who was injured or any property that was damaged, we could offer that coverage for that as well. So we have access to all the markets, all AM Best A-rated carriers. We take your information. We work as due diligently as possible to make sure that we get you the best coverage for the best price. We give you a thorough explanation of all the coverages that are on the policy and what exactly your business would need, the different options out there to cover your business the right way. And we are there for you 24/7 customer service. We specialize in business insurance. That is our niche, and we will take care of you to the best of our ability and will not let you down. Give us a call, give us a chance. 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.